My name is Charles Tran with The Novice Builder.
Plumbing is a critical step in any home construction, and it all begins during the excavation stage. Before the foundation is laid, all necessary pipes, drains, and fixtures must be installed correctly. In this video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of a plumbing plan during the excavation stage. Before any foundation work begins, trenches must be dug at the proper depth to accommodate sewer lines and water supply lines. The key here is to ensure a proper slope of 1/4 inch per foot for drainage pipes to prevent backflow. To ensure proper drainage and avoid backflow, pipes should slope downward at a rate of 1/4 inch per foot toward the main sewer or outlet. It means that for every 1 foot, 12 inches, of horizontal length of the drainage pipe, the pipe should slope downward by 1/4 inch. Why it matters. Too little slope. Water might back up or drain too slowly. Too steep. Water may move too fast and leave solids behind, causing clogs. 1/4 inch per foot is the ideal slope for most residential drainage to ensure smooth flow and prevent backflow. Next, let's talk about kitchen sink placement. The standard sink depth is between 8 to 10 inches, and its drain lines are typically positioned at 18 to 20 inches from the floor. A P-trap is then installed to prevent sewer gases from entering the home. Proper positioning ensures an efficient water supply and drainage system. For the bathroom sink, the standard height ranges from 30 to 36 inches. The drain line, just like in the kitchen, is placed at 18 to 20 inches from the floor, and a P-trap is installed to maintain a water seal and prevent odors. Now, onto the shower drain. A 2-inch drain pipe is commonly used here, and a P-trap is installed below to prevent sewer gases from escaping. The correct slope must be maintained to ensure proper water drainage. The toilet requires a larger drain pipe, either 3 or 4 inches in diameter. This pipe is positioned exactly 12 inches from the finished wall. Before the toilet is installed, a closet flange is secured to the drain pipe to hold it in place. A proper venting system is crucial for smooth drainage and preventing airlocks. Each plumbing fixture is connected to a vent pipe that leads to the roof, allowing air to escape and ensuring proper water flow. This also prevents sewer gases from backing up into the home.
Sink, kitchen sink, that's going out, drain out. That's your Y.
A Y fitting is a key component in plumbing, designed to connect branch drain lines to the main pipe at a smooth 45-degree angle. Unlike T-junctions, it reduces clogs, improves wastewater flow, and enhances ventilation. Commonly used in drainage, venting, and septic systems, the Y shape ensures efficiency and reliability. Simple, effective, and essential for a smooth plumbing system. All the waste, water, and other materials will pass through this pipe and flow into the septic tank. Before moving to the next construction phase, all pipes must be tested for leaks. Proper supports and sleeves are installed to prevent damage, and a final inspection is conducted to ensure everything is up to code. Only after this is complete can soil compaction begin. Here's a time lapse of the process. These orange lines mark where the drainage pipe will be installed. Marking before digging ensures accuracy, prevents damage to underground utilities, and helps maintain the proper slope for drainage. It also improves efficiency and allows for final checks before excavation begins. In plumbing, two of the most important tools you'll always see are the tape measure and the level. The tape measure is used to make sure pipes are cut to the right length and to accurately space out plumbing fixtures like sinks, toilets, and drains. It also helps calculate slope, especially for drainage pipes. For example, you need a drop of 1/4 inch per foot of pipe to keep water flowing properly. That's where the level comes in. A level helps you check that your pipes aren't too flat or too steep. Drainage pipes shouldn't be level. They need a slight downward slope. Using a level ensures you hit that sweet spot where water flows smoothly and nothing backs up. You'll also use the level to make sure your fixtures look right and sit even. No tilted sinks or wobbly toilets. So remember, tape measure is for correct size. Level is for correct slope and alignment. Two simple tools that make a massive difference in every plumbing job. You might be wondering about the black tape on the pipe. I used it to secure the rebars and pipe together, keeping them stable in place. This prevents shifting, ensures proper alignment, and provides extra support during installation. We use plumbing tape to seal joints and prevent leaks. This helps reinforce connections and ensures a tight seal. Next, we nail down and secure the P-trap. This is a critical step because the P-trap prevents sewer gases from backing up into the home while allowing wastewater to flow smoothly. I placed this bucket and filled it with soil to add weight, ensuring the pipe stays in position and aligned at the correct angle. Drain measurement is essential. We carefully measure to make sure the pipes are set at the correct slope. This ensures wastewater washes out properly and avoids drainage issues later on. Over here we have a washout section. This is an access point that allows easy maintenance and cleaning of the plumbing system when needed. A critical part of this installation is ensuring the slopes and washout are correctly aligned. This prevents backwash, which happens when water flows in the wrong direction due to poor drainage. A proper downward slope keeps the flow smooth, preventing backups and ensuring everything drains efficiently. Here's what it looks like when the washout is correctly aligned. The water flows smoothly and steady. If you want to learn more about connecting PVC pipes and how the drainage works, going out to the sewage or septic tank, check out my full tutorial. I made a separate video that explains everything step by step. The link is in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this, especially the Full House Foundation playlist. In plumbing, a smooth and steady water flow is essential. If water moves too fast, it can cause excessive wear and tear on the pipes, leading to leaks or bursts over time. A steady flow reduces pressure fluctuations, which helps maintain the longevity of the plumbing system. After properly measuring the slope and drainage, the team is ensuring that the pipe remains stable by stomping on it and covering it. They are preparing for the compaction process, which will be explained in a separate video. Watch the in-depth tutorial on soil compaction on my YouTube channel or click the link in the description below. A well-executed plumbing plan is the foundation of a reliable home. Completing all plumbing work before soil compaction prevents costly modifications and ensures a smooth construction process. Next up, vapor barriers and rebar. The complete guide will be covered in a separate video. Be sure to check out the links in the description below to watch my complete playlist. By subscribing to my channel, you'll gain access to all my in-depth tutorials, DIY projects, and step-by-step guides. If you have any comments or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on my upcoming projects and videos.